There are hundreds of woodworking tools you'll find in the internet. But today, we are here with such 5 tools that every pro woodworker should own. So let's not delay and grab your needed one. Ever wish you could make deck demolition faster and less frustrating? The Demo-Dek Tool by GreenTech Tools is a professional-grade solution designed to revolutionize the way you remove deck boards. Unlike traditional methods that rely on crowbars or hammers, this tool is built to grip boards securely and pry them up in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing effort. Its ergonomic design helps minimize strain, letting you work longer without tiring out, which is a big deal for heavy-duty projects. What makes the Demo-Dek stand out is its durability and versatility. It's tough enough to handle both wood and composite decking, so you can rely on it no matter what material you're working with. The tool also helps protect the joist during demolition, making it easier to prepare the surface for new boards. For professionals looking to speed up renovations, increase efficiency, and reduce wear and tear on themselves and their tools, the Demo-Dek is an absolute must-have in the woodworking arsenal. Looking for a circular saw that can keep up with the toughest demands on the job site? The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6.5-inch Circular Saw is a pro-level tool built for carpenters, remodelers, and contractors who need top-notch performance and durability. This saw delivers up to 20% more power and cuts up to 40% faster, thanks to its power-state brushless motor that spins at 6,000 RPM. It's designed to maintain high-speed underload, making even the most demanding cuts quick and efficient. Paired with the M18 XC 6.0 battery, it delivers an impressive 300 cuts per charge and is fully compatible with all M18 red lithium batteries. Features like the electric blade brake, LED work light, and magnesium guards enhance productivity, while the lightweight design and robust belt hook make it easy to handle and carry. With positive bevel detents, new depth detents, and RedLink Plus electronics for tool protection, this circular saw is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand power, precision, and reliability. The Festool CSC SYS 50 Cordless table saw is a dream tool for woodworking professionals who need precision and portability in one package. Compact enough to fit into a Sistiner, this saw is incredibly versatile, handling rip cuts up to 11 inches, cross cuts up to 17 3/4 inches, and bevel cuts from -2 to 47 degrees. Its digital controls make every cut precise to 1/10 of a millimeter, so repeatable accuracy is never a worry. The brushless EC Tech motor, paired with a dual 18-volt battery system, delivers power and torque that rival corded saws, spinning at 6,800 RPM for clean, fast cuts. Whether you're working in tight spaces or moving between job sites, this saw's lightweight design and optional UGCSCSYS underframe make transport and setup effortless. With features like built-in dust collection, adjustable speeds, and durable components, it's a reliable and efficient choice for professionals who demand the best from their tools. Makita XGT Sanders are designed to take professional sanding to the next level, combining power, precision, and ease of use. What makes these sanders truly stand out is the 1.6-meter umbilical battery adapter, which reduces the tool's body weight for improved balance and reduced user fatigue during long hours of work. For even greater flexibility, there's an optional 5-meter cord accessory, allowing you to move freely across large workspaces. These sanders are built for accuracy, featuring constant speed control to maintain consistent performance, even under load, along with an adjustable speed dial to fine-tune the tool for different materials and finishes. Meanwhile, the Auto Start wireless system is a blessing for professionals that enables the sander to connect wirelessly to compatible dust extractors, ensuring a cleaner and safer workspace without the hassle of additional cords. Whether you're working on detailed fine finishes or large-scale sanding jobs, the Makita XGT Sanders deliver the precision and performance that professionals demand. Their robust design, advanced features, and focus on efficiency make them a top choice for those who take their craft seriously. Say goodbye to compressors and hoses with the Ryobi 15-gauge angled finish nailer, a cordless game-changer built for professionals who demand precision and speed. Powered by the 1+ HP brushless motor and airstrike technology, this nailer delivers instant firing with zero delay, making it perfect for fast, seamless work. The ACU drive nose not only improves visibility, but also ensures perfect nail placement while protecting delicate work surfaces. Its angled magazine and compact design are ideal for tight spaces and corners, giving you flexibility where it matters most. With a selectable drive switch, you can switch to contact actuation mode for quick nail placement, boosting productivity on demanding jobs. Plus, the powerful battery system delivers up to 1,500 nails per charge, ensuring all-day runtime without interruptions. For pros tackling trim, molding, or cabinetry, this tool combines convenience, precision, and reliable performance, making it a must-have in any serious woodworker's collection. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.